Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Vitamix Propel series, 510 blender with 3-blend review, testing durability every day. As a seasoned detective who has spent decades unmasking frauds, exposing corporate shortcuts, and examining the cold, hard evidence left behind at crime scenes, I approach consumer appliances with a heavy dose of skepticism. When a sleek, high-priced culinary instrument like the Vitamix Propel series 510 blender lands on my interrogation table, my first instinct is to look for the catch. Check the video description for the updated price link. Is it just another overpriced piece of kitchen plastic riding on a legendary brand name? Or does it possess the hardened steel integrity required to survive rigorous daily scrutiny? Grab your magnifying glass, because we are about to open up the case file, dust for fingerprints, and interrogate every single feature of this professional-grade machine. At first glance, the Vitamix Propel Series 510 commands attention. Finished inches in immaculate white housing with rugged stainless steel blades, it looks less like a simple kitchen tool and more like precision instrumentation. But looks can be deceiving. Inches my line of work, surface-level charm is often a smoke screen designed to mask structural flaws. Did the manufacturer cut corners on the motor windings? Is the container prone to structural fracturing under high-torque friction? I needed to break down the evidence piece by piece, examine the physical properties, run field tests with high-viscosity materials, and determine whether this appliance is a masterclass inches engineering or a suspect hiding inches plain sight. The market is flooded with cheap imitators counterfeit contenders promising restaurant-quality smoothies, while burning out their armatures within 3 months of heavy use. When consumers see a price tag associated with professional-grade machinery, they demand absolute accountability. The Vitamix Propel Series 510 enters the scene with a 48-ounce container, 3 dedicated blending programs, and a reputation inherited from heavyweights like the Vitamix A3500 ecosystem. But can a mid-sized powerhouse truly deliver professional-grade results without crumbling under pressure? My investigation began by inspecting the packaging, verifying component weights, and scrutinizing the warranty claims. Inches the world of high-end blending. Weakness shows up under friction and prolonged torque. As I unboxed the unit, I noted the tactile weight of the base, the solid alignment of the drive socket, and the precision engineering of the interface. Nothing appeared flimsy or haphazardly assembled. But true guilt or innocence is never determined by mere appearance. It is proven through rigorous stress testing under extreme conditions. Every good detective knows that to understand how a system operates, you must dissect its individual parts. Let us examine the key pieces of evidence found within the Vitamix Propel Series 510 Assembly 3 preset blending programs. Unlike manual-only blenders that require constant babysitting, this unit features automated cycles for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. These programs utilize variable speed timing algorithms to process ingredients seamlessly from start to finish before shutting off automatically. Variable speed control pulse feature for investigators who prefer total manual override. The dial allows fine-tuning across 10 distinct speeds. The pulse feature provides burst firepower for chunkier textures like salsas and chopped vegetables. 48-ounce capacity container designed to fit comfortably under most standard kitchen cabinets, while offering ample volume for family-sized batches, medium-sized dressings, and single-serving post-workout shakes. Aircraft-grade stainless steel blades measuring 3 inches diameter. These laser-cut, hardened blades do not rely on sharp edges to slice. Instead, they generate explosive kinetic force to pulverize cellular walls and liquefy stubborn fibers. Check the link in the description to get yours today.